I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Tundra tonneau cover. First, gather your tools, which typically include a socket wrench with a 10mm socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your tonneau cover is completely closed and securely latched. It's also a good idea to clear out your truck bed so you have plenty of room to work comfortably and safely. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother. Next, you'll need to loosen the mounting hardware that secures the tonneau cover to your Tundra's bed rails. Most covers use 2 or 3 clamps on each side. Carefully locate these clamps, usually found underneath the cover's rails. Using your socket wrench, turn the bolts counterclockwise to loosen them. You don't need to remove them completely yet, just loosen them enough so the cover can be lifted. Now, if your tonneau cover has gas struts, you'll need to disconnect them. These are usually attached with a small clip. Gently pry them off the ball mounts. Also, check for any additional safety latches or quick-release pins that might be holding the cover in place. Make sure all these securing mechanisms are fully disengaged. Taking your time with this step prevents accidental damage and ensures the cover is truly free. Finally, with all the hardware loosened and struts disconnected, it's time to remove the cover. This is often a 2-person job, as tonneau covers can be quite heavy and awkward. Carefully lift the cover straight up and off your Tundra's bed. Once removed, store it in a clean, dry, and flat location, perhaps in a garage or shed. Proper storage will protect your cover and keep it in excellent condition for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.